Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing my minimalism journey with you. This one is going to be about my bedroom and garage declutter. It's going to be 3 parts, so make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out. You can see a list on your screen now, which is my decluttering list that I posted on my website. The link is going to be down below. You can download it and print it so that we can declutter together. So here you can see all the games that we bought. We had about 50 games in our house. We did not need 50 games, so I got rid of all of them. You can see our old rack there, the gym rack that we used to have, and that was just a free wine rack that I got off Gumtree, and that one was just cubes that is now sitting in the garage, and I just got a message from someone who wants to come and buy that. So you can see all my hangers here. I got rid of bags and bags of clothes. So these are all the hangers from all the clothes that we had. So here we kept all the stuff we didn't know where to keep. So we decluttered all of that as well. You can see the finished result. This is how our bedroom / gym looks like. As you can see, we bought a very beautiful exercising gym rack. It's way better. It has a bench. We've got heaps of weights for it for hubby. And this is what our wardrobe looks like. All of our clothes fit into this one wardrobe. Both of our clothes. Hubby's is on to the right and mine are to the left. And you can see how neat everything is. If you don't know KonMari method of folding your clothes, definitely go and check it out. Changed my life. So yeah, this is how our bedroom looks like now. Every morning we wake up, we just put the mattress up so we can have heaps of space. And now our garage declutter. I didn't have many pictures of our garage, but it was pretty much covered in boxes and boxes of stuff that my husband accumulated over many years. Okay, some of them were my boxes as well that I had. So it was both of ours, but mostly my husband's stuff. So what we did, we had a crappy carpet. I did not even want to video the carpet. It was disgusting. I don't know, the person who lived here before put a carpet in the garage. I don't know who does that, but she did it. So we got rid of it, and it was dust everywhere. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting double-sided tape and making sure that it perfectly sticks to the floor. You can already see that I putted all of the walls because there was holes everywhere. So yeah, this is the double-sided tape that we put on the floor, and we're gonna be putting the vinyl on the floor. And that's my husband bringing in the vinyl. So because it was folded, we bought it from Bunnings. They said that we have to put it on the floor, lay it on the floor for a day so that all the creases would disappear. So that's what we did. We put it on the floor for, I think it was 26 hours, and next day all of the creases were gone. So Here I am showing, you can see at the back all the boxes that these were not even all the boxes that we had all over our house with all the stuff from the garage. I'm building the Alex doors now for the garage, and hubby is building the gym rack. So yeah, you can see boxes there. This was probably about 1/5 of the boxes in our house. The rest was just taking over our living room. It was a bit of a nightmare for a while, but we got there. So yeah, because we didn't have much space in the garage, I decided to build the Alex drawers in the bedroom, and it was fun. With hubby, he was building the gym rack and I was building the Alex drawers. So now we went downstairs so that we could just put the vinyl on the floor. This was a long job. This was very time consuming, but it looks so good now. So we're just trying to roll the remaining strip of the vinyl that we didn't use. We decided to keep it just in case we need it one day. So yeah, it's just a little roll that we decided to keep. So here my hubby started to put together the bookcases. I was helping him, of course. This is the third day of organizing the garage. I'm still putting Alex drawers together because I had to build 3 Alex drawers for the garage. And now we're just putting the bookcases together. These are the Billy bookcases from IKEA, and we also got the top shelf, which this is a must. If you get the Billy bookshelves, get the extra shelf that goes up the top. It looks so awesome when you do the extra shelf on top of them. This is some stuff that was sitting in the garage. We had to get rid of. You can see the filing cabinet hiding there, and we got rid of all of the papers from filing cabinet as well, and digitized them, almost all of them. And we're in the process of digitizing all of the papers. So this is again some of the boxes and books that my hubby has, and you can see this is just probably half of the boxes and books that we took out of the boxes. So imagine how much stuff we had. So this was a month ago when we were finished with a lot of stuff. It didn't look that terrific, but definitely there are not boxes just sitting in the garage doing nothing. Now if we want to read a book, we can go and grab the book. And see these cubes? They're going tomorrow. And all of the stuff that's in the cubes is going to get digitized. So this is what it looks like now. You can see a huge difference. Still in the process of digitizing and decluttering, but looks heaps better now. We've got a whiteboard there now, and so many boxes are gone, and the floors are just free of clutter. So yeah, don't forget to go to my website and download the decluttering list, and let's declutter the house before 2019 so that you can start 2019 with a beautiful minimalistic house that you don't have to stress about. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe, like this video, and comment down below and let me know if you like this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye!